Participants are people who take part in psychological studies. Psychologists tend to target a specific group of people called the target population. An example is people with siblings who committed crimes. Here, participants chosen from the target population are called the sample. Researchers often try to look for a sample that represents a specific type of people instead of the whole population. This is called the representative sample. Here's an example of how this works. If you are conducting a study on how teenagers' study time affects their exam results, you will try to obtain a sample of high school students. However, the students who volunteer to take part in such an activity may all believe that, if they study more, they can get better results, thus making the study less valid and causing it to lack population validity. So how does a researcher get participants to actually participate in a study? One of the methods is to find a group that already exists. For instance, the researcher could find a pre-existing group, like students in an IB psychology class. This is called opportunity sampling. However, the downside to this sampling method is that it often leads to biased samples. For example, by studying members of an IB psychology class, the sample becomes rather limited as they are all of the same age and class, thus the results of the study cannot be generalized.